English. Gini.
The first
Sige.
egg is bigger than a
Sige.
chick egg.
Chicken.
Chicken egg. The first egg is bigger than
Sige na.
all
Sige. Sige na. Other.
other eggs.
Sige.
The first egg is an
Sige. Sige na yun. Oh. Sige. Ostrich.
ostrich egg.
Ostrich. Ostrich.
Ostrich egg.
Sige.
Open
Asa na?
or
Shut the door.
shut the door.
Clear.
Clear or sit the
Table.
table.
Unsa ni?
Table.
Oh. Sige.
Trick or
Hay trick. Drink.
drink or
Pure.
pour
Pure milk. Pure
milk.
milk. Sige. Unsa na?
Dry or wash
Clutch.
clutch.
Mga sinina ba? Clutch. Mga okay. Na.
First one.
Okay. Unsa na? Sige, basahan.
Door.
Nut na
Nut.
siya.
Cannot.
Okay.
Have not. Will not. Would not.
Good na natin.
How can it?
Good. Good. Nut.
Could
Good. Oh.
not.
Should.
Not. Say S. Hey S. S. No.
Sige. Sige. Ho.
How S.
Sige na. Sama na. Ay, pagduha-duha lagi.
There is.
Hmm.
There.
Hay dear ba? Oy, naday na yung R.
They.
Sige na.
Are. We are.
Sige.
They have.
Sige.
We have. You will. He will. She will. They will.
Okay. Shoes! Asa na ka shoes?
Personal.
Ano naman? Ay, dali. Naibitin diha. Sige. Personal health. Mura ba? Genpaid. Health. Tanaw ba? Ang Genpaid o ang Genpaid o health o PH ang daan. Health. Shoes! No, shoes!
Mama, tanawa TH.
Sige.
English ni.
Oh, English. Sige, sige, sige. Kanira man yung basa, no?
Are you a
Oh. Healthy. Na may Y. Healthy. Chill.
child? Do you
No.
know how to
Sama na. Take care.
take care of your baby?
Body.
Body.
Oo man na, oh. Di man na, baby. Body. Lawas. Sige. Sige. Sige, sige. Kaya mo kuman ata.
And the
Previous
previous
unit.
unit you
We're
were
able
able
to learn
to learn
the
the
benefits
benefits
of
of
eating
eating
healthy.
healthy
Diman eh. Sige.
and
Sige. Nutrition.
nutritious
Nutritious
foods.
Diba na?
But eating during
Right.
right
Sakto ba? Sakto ka ng right. Naganan ka ni sakto. Tuo ba? Yan mo. Sakto. Ito. Right. Kind.
kind
Ah.
and ring
Mura na sila. Oh. Right.
right
Amount.
amount of food
Oh.
is not
Enough.
enough to
Stay.
stay
Fit.
fed
And healthy.
healthy.
This unit.
This unit will
mm,
give you
more.
more
Give.
improve
Important. Importante.
important
Sige. Sige. Kabasa ka, anak.
tips, story,
Sige. Kabasa, anak. Sige. Chure.
member,
Oh. Sige.
and keeping your
Oh, sana.
body
Oh, kana. Sama na. Gibasa ka na. Kana. Kani. Gibasa ka na. Kani.
healthy
Oh.
and
Hi, An, boy.
at
all time.
times.
Bye-bye na. Oh, i-off na na. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.